This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings problem in Roblox. So if you're facing this error, just follow me to fix it. Open Roblox in your browser and click on this gear icon and click on settings. Once you are in the settings page, click on security. Click on privacy, and here you have to disable account restrictions. So disable this, enter your PIN, click on unlock, and then click on parental controls. Also disable your PIN, and after quickly doing this, click on discover, and now you have to search for the game you want to play and click on this play button. So all you have to do is just start the game from browser, and that's how we can fix this error. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.